Hello, dear friends. This is Dr. Mohammad Aminul Islam. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I would like to explain how to make graphical abstract for your manuscript. This video is very important, so please do not skip. Well, what is graphical abstract? Graphical abstract is the pictorial form of your manuscript. That is, it is the pictorial form of the abstract or key finding of the manuscript. There are various softwares, and using these softwares, you can easily make a stunning graphical abstract. However, making graphical abstract needs time and effort. So, in order to save your time, I would like to show you several softwares that you can easily use for your graphical abstract. The first one is Microsoft PowerPoint. This is one of the most important tool for making graphical abstract. In Microsoft Excel, you can easily find various emoji icon. Just click here, you will get icon shapes, arrow, etc. And you can make any color you like. So using PowerPoint, you can easily prepare a stunning graphical abstract for your manuscript. Then another software is Canva. Using your academic email address, you can easily log in for a pro Canva accounts, and using these accounts, you can easily make your graphical abstract using various concept. There are a lot of icons, emoji, and elements, and you can easily download this icon or emoji or graphics uh, in transparent mode downloading option. So Canva has become very popular for designing your graphical abstract. Then comes BioRender. BioRender is one of the important graphical abstract preparing software, and there are hundreds of pre-prepared uh, graphical abstract. You can use this and edit this based on your research. So using BioRender, you can easily make your graphical abstract as your requirement. Another option is Mind the Graph. Using Mind the Graph, you can easily prepare graphical abstract diagram of your need. So using these softwares, you can easily make a good abstract. For example, recently I have published an article. I have prepared a graphical abstract for this using Microsoft Excel. Thanks for watching. Please do visit Aminulchem Innovation for new videos. And it should be remembered that in order to prepare good quality graphical abstract, you need to make a plan or sketch, then you can prepare, revise, and make it final. Thanks for watching. Please do visit Aminulchem Innovation, like, comment, share for new videos.